Alright, so this is the Auxito AT1 battery powered 18.5 volt. It's pretty new, just come out here just a couple of months ago. It's got a digital screen on it. Got 12.5 pounds in it right now. I don't want
It's cool that it
that
tells
much pressure
you
in it.
exactly
I'm gonna run
how
it down.
much.
Yeah.
Battery powered?
Yeah.
That's
18.5 volt.
Look though, it's already at 15.
What's the time on it?
2:30. I forgot to show it in the camera.
That's a 35-inch tire. That's pretty good.
It just went from yellow to red. So it'll air up all 4 tires. They're 35, 1250, 17s, and it did each tire in a little under 3 minutes. It did them about 2 minutes and 30, 2 minutes and 40 seconds a tire. And it did it all on one full charge battery.
And they're 35-inch off-road tires.
35, 12, 50, 17.
There you go. Not too bad for a little rechargeable air compressor.
You were saying you don't have the cords to wind up.
The Auxito AT1 isn't meant to replace a full-size air compressor for airing up 4 tires after a trail, but as an emergency contact option for a daily driver, it makes a lot of sense. It's rechargeable, doesn't require extra power cables while you're using it, and based on our test, it did exactly what it was supposed to do. Just keep it charged, and it could be a useful tool for when you need air in a pinch.